innovative, which involves a lot of creativity. I think this program, as a starter, which was done at Vista, has really helped and motivated the students to think beyond books. And the children were so excited by the way the program was conducted, and hope that this would be the first step towards getting into film shooting and stuff. We would be coordinating with them for many more programs, which would in fact help our students to do things much better in the creative world.
I recommend the Young Directors program to all the students because it's a simple yet powerful way for us and everybody here to capture the world around us.
Young Directors was a very good program. It was well presented, very nice interaction, and very good material was provided. It was an awesome experience, everything put together.
I liked it and I understood many things about mobile camera, and I'm going to implement them in my daily life.
There were many reasons I enjoyed this workshop. Few of them being that it was very interactive, fun-filled, lots of fun jokes that made it very interesting, and the kit that was given was really cool.
Young Directors program was really interesting and was well managed and gives us real knowledge about how to capture the world in a beautiful way.
I feel that the Young Directors program has helped me unwrap the young director in me.